How is canola oil made from seed to bottle? Full process explained. When you grab a bottle of cooking oil off the shelf, you probably don't think twice about where it came from. But what if I told you that golden liquid started life months ago as a tiny black seed growing inside a field of vibrant yellow flowers? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how canola oil is made, from planting and harvest all the way to the bottle in your kitchen. This isn't just about cooking oil. It's about one of the most widely used and misunderstood oils in the world. Where does it come from? Why is it called canola? And what actually happens between the farm and your frying pan? Let's take the full journey from field to bottle. First things first, what exactly is canola? Canola comes from the seeds of a plant in the mustard family, related to turnip and cabbage. In the 1970s, Canadian scientists bred a new variety of rapeseed that was low in erucic acid, making it safe to eat and mild in flavor. The name canola actually stands for Canadian Oil Low Acid. Today, canola grows mainly in Canada, the US, Australia, and parts of Europe, covering millions of acres in stunning yellow blooms every summer. The journey begins in early spring. Farmers plant tiny black seeds directly into prepared soil using precision seed drills. Over the next few months, those seeds sprout into plants 3 to 5 feet tall. Fields transform into waves of yellow flowers, buzzing with bees and wind. As summer passes, flowers give way to pods filled with dozens of tiny seeds, each seed holding about 40% oil by weight. By late summer, the fields shift from yellow to brown. The pods dry out and become brittle, a sign it's time to harvest. Massive combines sweep through the fields, cutting, threshing, and collecting seeds in a single pass. These seeds are then transported, sometimes hundreds of miles, to processing plants where the real transformation begins. Step 1. Cleaning and conditioning. At the plant, seeds are cleaned to remove sticks, dust, and stones. Then they're gently heated, making their shells easier to crack. Step 2. Crushing and pressing. Rollers crush the seeds into thin flakes. These flakes are pressed in giant screw presses, squeezing out much of the oil. The leftover seed cake still holds oil, so it's treated with a food-safe solvent called hexane. Don't worry, the solvent is completely removed later through heating. Step 3. Refining and purifying. The extracted oil, now called crude canola oil, is refined to remove natural waxes and impurities. It's then bleached to improve clarity and deodorized with steam to remove any remaining odors. The result? A clear, neutral-tasting oil ready for everything from frying to salad dressings. Once refined, the oil is stored in massive tanks. Automated lines fill and seal thousands of bottles every hour. Plastic jugs, glass bottles, even large drums for restaurants. From here, it's shipped worldwide, eventually ending up on your kitchen shelf, ready for your next recipe. There's a lot of confusion about canola oil online. Some call it unhealthy or too processed. But in reality, canola oil is low in saturated fat, high in heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, and contains omega-3s. Like any oil, moderation is key. But canola remains one of the most tested and regulated edible oils in the world. Canola farming is evolving too, with no-till practices, precision farming, and even research into biofuels. So next time you drizzle canola oil into a pan, remember, behind that simple act is an incredible journey, from seed to field to bottle. If you enjoyed this deep dive into everyday products, hit subscribe and join us for more stories about how the modern world is built, one simple thing at a time.